This Temu bag just showed up. I don't remember ordering anything else yet. So this is exciting. I have no idea what's in here. Huh. Yeah, I went back and looked. I didn't order anything else. Apparently they're just sending me stuff now. I really hope not. All right, let's get this stuff out of here and take a look. So the first up is this projector thingy, Smart Star Projector. Smart Atmosphere Light Data Cable User Manual. Single click to turn on, long press for 3 seconds to turn off. Click to switch LED lighting mode. So I guess this is supposed to look like it's projecting the northern lights. Let's see what we get. Well, that's bright. All right, let me shut off some lights here in the room, and we'll see if it's projecting it up onto the ceiling. It might be kind of cool. All right, you ready to see it? I think it is kind of cool. And then if you press the button, you can change colors. Yeah, I dig it a lot. Okay, I found an email from Temu. Apparently I agreed to this. This is part of their smart home tech promotion. I just don't remember agreeing to it, but that's all right. So this is one-piece Northern Star Projector floodlight, RGB color changing floodlight. It's pretty cool. It's $15.99. I do like that. All right, next up we have an LED light panel, because I am never satisfied with the lighting over this desk, and I have tried many things. Is this a grow light? LED light. WWCW, warm white, cool white. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about being a grow light. Look at this. Okay, now I'm really interested. Hang on. All right, let's plug it in and see what we get. Not polarized. No, it is definitely not a grow light. It's a crazy light. Good Lord, is it bright though. All right. Wow. RGB floodlight. Let me look. Hang on here. Okay, perhaps not so crazy after all. I missed the remote that fell out when I opened the box, so that's crazy mode. Wow, that's all white. I'm gonna have to turn this. This is just like literally blinding me. We got red, green, blue. We can make it flash different colors. Strobe. Does not really seem to be strobing. fade. It's just doing like a little color change. And smooth. That is not smooth. But as long as we get some nice bright white light out of this, I might just like this after all. It's still not bright enough. Yes, that has been said about me in the past as well. Like right now, here's the main lighting. It's just a super bright LED bulb. And then I have some additional fill lighting right over here. Then I have my sewing machine light as well. So that's how I generally light for a video. And I was hoping I could replace that big cob looking thing by mounting this up here, but I don't really think it'll be bright enough. Still pretty cool though. For 16 bucks, it is an RGB color changing. God, Lord, that is bright. Can I tune it down? No, that is tuned down as low as it will go, and I'm sure it's still probably blowing it out. Yeah. So that is $15.99. That's pretty cool now that I look at it. All right, next up, this should be a pulse oximeter. Of course, it wants AAA batteries. Everything in the world wants AAA batteries. Remember these? The rechargeable EBL batteries I got earlier this year. Yeah, they don't really hold a charge. So that's why you don't never hear me talking about them or using them. That's tight. Of course, it's not going to come on. Why would it? Those batteries would be dead. Okay, short trip to the store and a couple batteries later. I don't know if you can read that, but it says oximeter. It's very dim. There you go. Not too shabby, I don't think. So it comes in a little box, little bag, little wrist strap. Let's see how much that costs. $4.82. Not terrible. All right, what is this? Flour mill. Oh wow, that is not what I thought it was. I thought this was more like a pepper grinder kind of thing. But we shall plug it in and test it. Kind of terrifying with that little blade in there, isn't it? This does actually have a polarized plug on it. Alright, let's see what happens. It goes spinny really fast. interesting. And it was $4.80. So, you know, what the heck? $4.80, not that. $4.80. It's worth it. And our last item, solar induction wall lamp. I don't think it's induction. I believe it's a PIR sensor, but we'll find out. Everybody's always commenting on my my knife I use to open boxes. It's just a Bowie type knife that I got from the local Napa auto parts store, and literally it sits in its sheath right over here, and I use it to open boxes because, you know. But for those of you who are into knives or like knives, this is my EDC knife. It is from Harbor Freight because I lose things all the time. At one point in my life, I had a very nice Spyderco knife, and I don't know what happened to it. So I only buy cheap knives now. We got some hardware. We got a remote control. We have some mounting type doodles. Oh, another mounting type doodle that I just threw on the floor. Oh, there's two of them? Yeah, two pieces it says on the box. Wow. All right, that's pretty cool. Because these are two of these were for 18 bucks. There's some kind of little thing in there. Oh, we're going to have to open one of these up and have a look. So there's our solar charge-a-rama. Oh yeah. I think I might like these. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video on some mostly lighting stuff this month from Temu. There will be links to everything down below, and again, thanks for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.